Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a numerical problem related to relation topic. Problem is, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a set. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to xy such that y equal to x plus 1. Then there are two questions arises. First is depict this relation by using an arrow diagram, and second is write down the domain, codomain and range of R. Since here first we should be depict this relation by using arrow diagram. For this, first we find the all ordered pair of the relation R. For now, we will discuss here, since given that means R defined is equal to xy such that y equal to x plus 1. Since y equal to x plus 1, then we can find R equal to, means all order pair of this relation. If we take x equal to 1, that means here x belongs to A and y belongs to also A. That means x equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 1, this is the 2. If x equal to 2, then y equal to x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 plus 1, this will be 3. X equal to 3, then y equal to 3 plus 1, 4. X equal to 4, then y equal to 4 plus 1, 5. X equal to 5, then y equal to 6. But if x equal to 6, then y equal to 7, where 7 is not belongs to A, then all order pair of R relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Now, if we want to depict this relation using by arrow diagram, then suppose this is the set A and this is the also set A. Element of set A related to element of set B, set A under the relation R. Since element of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you see here, since element 1 is related to element 2, here 1 is the element of A and here 2 is the element of another set A. That means A related to 2. Second is 2 to 3. 2 related to 3. 3 related to 4. 3 related to 4. 4 related to 5. And 5 related to 6. This is the relation using arrow diagram. Now, in the second question, write down the domain, codomain and range of R. So this is the solution of first. Now solution of second is, first we write domain. Domain. What is the domain of R? Domain of R, already in the previous video we have discussed what is the domain. Domain means all element of set A which have image in set B. All element of set A which have image in set B. That means here you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the domain of relation R. Or in other words, you can say that all first element of each order pair is known as domain. So domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain. Second thing, codomain. Codomain is equal to all those elements of set B. Set B means here on the place of set B, this is given same set A. All elements of this set have pre-image in set first set. That means this set. You can see here only 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 have the pre-image in set this set. Or in other words, you can say that second element of each order pair of this relation is known as codomain. That means codomain will be codomain means all element of set in the next set. All element of this set is known as codomain. First definition have wrong. Actually, codomain is the all element of this set is known as codomain. That means codomain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or set A is known as codomain. And range means all element of this set which have pre-image in this set. Or in other words, you can say that all second element of each order pair of this relation is known as range. That means range will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the range. Now in the next video, we will discuss about function.